You won't believe what these universities are teaching. From Harry Potter studies to cereal science, these courses are as wild as they sound. Welcome to Solve Media. We share what's worth knowing with you. Today, we're counting up the top 5 countries with unusual university modules around the world. And the number 1 is Cornell University in the USA with their winemaking theory and practice module. This course is part of their viticulture and enology program where students learn the science behind grape growing and wine production. It's perfect for anyone interested in becoming a viticulturist, an expert in grape growing, or enologist, an expert in the science of wine. At number 2, we have Minneapolis College of Art and Design with their comic book publishing module. This course teaches students how to produce and promote comic books, from digital publishing to print production. It's a dream come true for anyone passionate about comics and the publishing industry. At number 3, we have Kansas State University in the USA, offering a course in cereal science. No, you won't be eating bowls of cereal all day. Instead, you'll study the chemistry and biology of cereals, legumes, and how they're processed into food. This practical course is perfect for anyone interested in working in the food industry. At number 4, we have Durham University in the United Kingdom, offering Harry Potter and the Age of Illusion. If you've ever dreamed of studying at a university that looks practically like Hogwarts, now's your chance. This module explores the social, cultural, and educational context of the Harry Potter series and investigates why it becomes such a global phenomenon. It's the perfect course for any Potterhead looking to combine their love for magic with academia. Number 5. Nazarbayev University in Kazakhstan offers a paleontology module. Students in this course study prehistoric life through fossils and recently had the chance to rescue a rare ichthyosaur fossil, making this module a hands-on adventure in geology and ancient life. Surprised by these unusual university models? Or maybe you're ready to enroll in cereal science or winemaking? Let us know in the comments which module you love to take. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun and informative content. See you next episode!